Hello LinkedIn, I am super stoked to be presenting this topic to you. Today's Fletchy Friday, it is all about totally integrated automation, but we're going to start right at the very beginning. How do we select something so straightforward for our application? How do we ensure risk is mitigated? How do we ensure we have that one source of the truth? And more importantly, how do we actually make sure we have the right prices with the right cable length on time? The reason why I'm super stoked is not just about the topic. We've actually got a special guest. He's an absolute tour de force, and he's actually going to start his own LinkedIn channel. Are you ready to see him? Adam, take it away.
Thanks Lee, and thanks for having me on this week's episode of Fletchy Friday. I'm super excited to be here with you guys today. My name's Adam Holmes and I'm the host of a brand new LinkedIn series starting on Monday called Homes in Motion, where we're going to look and investigate into all the benefits of Siemens Dynamics drives. As an OEM, you guys will know that no two machines are identical. There's always a slight variation depending on end user requirements, and therefore selecting the right automation hardware for the machine can be challenging and adds an element of risk to the design phase. Fortunately, the TIA Selection tool is here to help. It is the one-stop shop ultimate sizing tool for all of your automation needs. It can size everything from PLCs to HMIs, remote I/O, drives and power supplies and networks. This tool is intelligent. It will suggest things like memory cards and terminal blocks so we don't forget any of our essential hardware. We can also size our 24-volt supply to make sure we've got enough power in our power supply to power all of our automation hardware as well as our I/O. But with the safety evaluation tool now integrated into TIA Selection tool, we can also consider the safety of the machine at the design phase to make sure that the selected hardware can deliver the safety performance required for the relevant standards. Just this week I was asked by a customer, Adam, how do you know when you're going to need a braking resistor and how do you size it? Well, of course the TIA Selection tool is the answer. By selecting a typical mechanical system, adding a few mechanical details, we add a payload and even a load movement profile, the tool can work out things like our inertias, our inertia mismatch, our torque requirements, torque utilisation and thermal utilisation of our motors. It'll even calculate our regenerative energy that we're going to need to dissipate via a braking resistor, so it does everything for us. We can select a motor and a suitable then variable speed drive for our mechanical system to ensure that we can deliver the performance that we're expecting. Of course, this removes the risk of sizing and specifying drives for quite complex mechanical systems, removing all their complex mechanical algorithms and calculations. Not only that, but the selection tool then will create a shopping basket for us. That shopping basket can be exported so we can then place an order for all of our hardware, but we can also then export that configuration to other ECAD systems such as ePlan or even Tier Portal, so we can seamlessly move from our planning and design phases into our programming phase, so we can move through the process. Fantastic! How much, Adam, do we charge for all of this? Well, the TIA Selection tool is a free to download tool. The link below will take you to that download. Please check it out. Any questions, let me or Lee know and we'll be happy to help you where we can. Thank you so much and have a great weekend, everyone.